Take steering wheel lock system. And you cannot start. Cannot start. Yes, start here. This accent.
Okay, now we open it. We start from this cover. Only use screw or hand to remove this cover. It easy. It don't have a screw. We can remove it so easy. And here you can open this shoe and open this cover. Yeah, it's easy. It don't have a screw, and we don't need to screwdriver to open it. Only hand. And when we can open two cover, now we can continue open. Look, follow me by step. We can easily to open it. Now we need one. Here have it two screw here, and we need to wrench 10 to open it. We unclockwise and we open it. And here have a big screw. You can see we have screw here. And we open two screw here. And here have one screw. We open this. Total this cover have 3 screw. And when we open, we can remove it. And we need to unconnect this cable. And then we open this cover by screw here. I have one screw. And we rotate the wheel. Have a 2 screw on top. Be careful. Yes, and when you rotate the wheel, you can see it. Wheel driver. Total this cover have a 2 screw. And now you can remove it from here to make it down. Okay, by this way we easy to open this cover. And now we check the circuit.
Red and yellow. Red and yellow. Okay. Red and red and
I don't see red.
Red and green.
Đang vào chế độ giám sát đỗ xe.
Okay, and now we open Hyundai Accent connector electrical, and we find the steering wheel and steering wheel system. Here you can see steering wheel system schematic diagram. We have 5 wire. The red color is hot in on. When you start machine, and it green is hot in on or start. And yellow is switch. Switch limit. And green small look like a motor or lamp, and black is GND ground. In this my car case have a problem with the water inside. I clean the air conditioner by water and by high pressure pump water, and water come in the circuit and BCM. Then it have broken, and I make the hair dryer to make hot and make dry. Then I'm take again it okay, and I will start the system. More information, please contact to me by the comment under the video. I will send you this document.
Daddy, I'm coming.
Okay. Okay. Here you can rotate it okay. Now you stop and close down.
Đang vào chế độ giám sát đỗ xe.
It lock. Cannot rotate. You start here. It unlock.
Đinh Hoàn có đặt câu hỏi. Em chào thầy ạ.
Okay.
Đang vào chế độ giám sát đỗ xe.
Nathan, can you help me hold it? Hold it, camera. Wait, okay. Hold here. Here, one hand hold it. Okay.